I just got this car DVR. This one says high definition video camcorder. I think this one is the real HD DVR as opposed to the phony ones that are not really HD. There is no model number on the box, and except for the sticker here that says P1309B G1W. And I know that this is a real HD camcorder because I saw a review on it, and this sells for about $52. I got it on eBay, sent over from China. And what I'm doing right now is just charging the internal battery so I can put my micro SD card in and use it later. Comes with HDMI cable, car charger, and a mount. So I'm going to charge it up and then put it in my car. Before you insert this bracket into the top of the camera, make sure the suction cup faces forward towards the windshield. So if you turn it the other way, obviously your camera lens won't be facing the front. So I just stuck the camera to the windshield there, and I have a 12-volt accessory outlet here. I'm gonna start the car. It does come on. I have a 16 gig class 10 micro SD card in there, and I know that there are people that have problems with class 10 micro SD card, so we'll see if this is going to give me a problem. You need a somewhat fast processor. I would say a Core i3 or i5 would probably work well. I have the Asus AMD 8A6 chip, and it also seems to work well. Okay, I'm home. Gonna switch off the ignition and the camera should switch off by itself in a few seconds. It says goodbye. It's a bit of a challenge taking out the micro SD card. It popped out like a toast in the toaster. Let's see what brand this is. Okay, this is just iMation. It's called iMation. TSC, frequency 60 Hertz, screen protection, I'm not sure what that is, IR LED. I just got this high definition video camcorder for my car. I think this one is the real high definition camera, HD. At the bottom, or at the really at the top of the camera, there's a slot like this, a rectangular slot, and the bracket also has a rectangular plastic piece, and you insert it into the slot here and you push it up, and that's how you connect the camera to the bracket. Now, because there's no ball joint, there might be some slight movement here, and to tighten the connection between the camera and the bracket, you have to push the bracket up the slot, and the higher you go, the tighter the connection is. Otherwise, the camera can wobble while it is hanging like that. It might, move from, because it is plastic and it can break. So just move it tight enough so that it doesn't wobble. It's supposed to move like that up and down, and just make it snug enough, and that should do the trick. Okay, I think this is a tricky part too.